All right, in this video, we are going to discuss the inequality in interval notations and graphs. How do we represent inequality in terms of graphs as well as in terms of interval notation? For example, this one, in terms of graph, draw the graph. So -3, remember 0 is here, 4 is here. In terms of graph, you have to just use square bracket for less than, So this one is open. This is open. This is closed. So this means any values between this one and this without including -3. So interval notation, this can be written as -3 for inclusive. So these are very important when you do, your solution of inequality. This one, somehow different, right? The middle term is -x. So in order to set in terms of a positive set, x divided everything by -1, -1, -1. In that case, the inequality will swipe. That means 2, -2 less than x less than, which is +6, right? Now, it is a standard form because x must be the coefficient with x must be positive. That means this one is between -2 and 6. Now draw the line. Draw the line here. -2 is here, 0 somewhere. This one is not scaled, so 6. Both are open, open, open. Remember, this is open. This one is open. This is graphical representation. So interval notation of this, it is -2 and 6 open. Generally, look at the interval notations. For example, x greater than or equal to a. This means from a up to positive infinity. That means you start from a and goes to positive infinity. That means this is inclusive. If it says x greater than a without including a up to positive infinity, so the graph is open, infinity. X less than or equal to a, this means, from -infinity to a inclusive. That means this is to the left side, which is a is somewhere here, a. The same thing, x less than a, this is -infinity, a, open. The graph is, open. The other one is if x is between two values, let's say b less than or equal to x less than or equal to a, the interval notation is inclusive b inclusive a. That means the x values are, between a and b. So this one, in terms of graph, closed b, closed a, so whatever values between this. All right. The other one is similarly you can do for the others. And real numbers are represented by -infinity to positive infinity. That means, remember, all real numbers always open, because number has no any boundary.